Hi, Priya.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Balan, will you do one thing? I will try to connect through one other thing also because I was connected in the mobile. I'll
Okay.
connect it to the laptop now.
Oh, okay. Oh, you connected through mobile. Oh,
It is very small screen then, no? I'm
yes,
just
yes.
trying.
Hmm.
I have come through a different one. Can you please connect me there?
Yeah. Let me start.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yesterday we saw about the geographies. Geography, do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts?
No. Understood. Yeah.
Yeah. Then coming to the ESC, I think already these also I think I explained you again. Giving.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
explained ESC tool also. So
Yes.
where
Yes.
like, you will be making like subdivisions,
Yes.
main
Correct.
enterprise and then divisions, subdivisions,
Yes.
branches and everything.
Yes. Correct.
Okay.
So now we're going for the actions also. I explained. No.
Yeah, actions and action reason is finished. You have
Yes.
to get the action reason from
Mm,
the company. Only then you will have to do any action.
yes.
Without
Correct.
any reason, you will have to map it with the action reason. So you'll create the reason. So whenever you make an action related to that reason, then you will map it up with them.
Yeah.
This
Perfect.
is what.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we're going to create the what structure. It's like so basically what are the companies are mostly using jobs and grades,
Mm.
then location, then department.
Mm.
It's coming to the what structure. So this mostly the commonly is integrated with the system. So one-to-one integration is there. So without grade, job is not assigned. The location is based. So what the purpose we are creating this kind of work structure. So now
Okay.
we're going to see how to create this in system. I will show you now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So every time we go to setup and maintenance, right?
Yes. Because we are as a implementation. So we are implementation consultant. So always should be go this tab only setup and actions and under the setup action we need to go to setup and maintenance settings and actions under the setup. Uh, so I'm first I'm going to managing the location.
Oh, managing location. So in this location means is like where the company, which branch you are in. This is the location, right?
Perfect.
This is related to the employer. This is what you told me.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Mostly 99% we are dealing with the only business oriented. While while hiring the employee, that part only we are coming from the employee part. It's related to the employee level transaction, end user transaction. The hiring is an end user transaction. So 99% we are dealing with the only organization setup. So yeah. So already locations we need to go into the new location. So you can't find any location here. For example, what is created? Yeah. Okay. Because people are working on different. Somebody's created some location. So just I'm going to create new location. Create new. So effective date when going to create the location, we need to set it.
Yeah, today's date.
Yes,
I remember. So if
Yeah.
somebody is there, not there from this position, if we are being replaced also, so the person should know when was it created and everything.
Yes,
Right.
correct.
This is
Perfect. So for example, think any location, that related to.
Yeah, remember we created something called DIP. I think we made create location yesterday, no?
Okay.
Was it that the same thing?
Yes.
Same thing. And you told it's a DIP branch, new branch, and that has action reason. So you created the action reason on the DIP.
Before something I created.
And you made a code with
no,
underscore also, not this DIP, I think.
DIP, yeah. Okay.
DIP, this.
BIP.
Correct. No, DD, correct. The previous one was correct. It's not there.
The better we create.
Yeah.
Ignore that part. Today this is automatically coming. Action reasons no need now. For example, DAP1, location 1. The code should be used in BA report. While pulling the report from the system, it should be always code level. So we need to use the special character for like writing as BA underscore location.
Any character we can put or
No,
mainly underscore only?
Underscore only mostly will be used because a reporting purpose they are using this code only. So mostly now all people are using the underscore only, the code level of changes.
Okay.
Then description according to the location you can type anything. So for temporary I just copy and paste it here. Then you know that output is coming from. I need to navigate
India.
Net.
How did you go to this search?
Just that, right. Click to navigate the country tab. Click here. And down search button is there.
Search is there. Okay.
Yes. I will zoom it. You can see here. Click the button.
Yeah. Okay.
Search. Oh, okay. I think a zip code will not taking care. Better, yeah.
So it was not needed, you told. So India only we told.
So better we go for US.
Okay.
Something is not user friendly. We need to click the search button, getting the data. This kind of enhancement, I think in future they will user friendly make the user. I hope because Oracle is already announced something. Just typing the pin code is getting the
city and the state, yeah.
Then this information related to the shipping or location extra information, some country specific the spine like that. It's related to the based upon the country specific. We can fill it the details based on the customer requirement. Then I can give the submit button.
But action reason is not needed.
No, that's the reason. We already seen now this area. That's the reason I'm not. So I'm not using this. Just for purpose I'm using this.
Okay.
If they have submit
button. Action reason has to be mapped and status should be always active, correct?
Yes. It's take time, 1 minute. Click OK. It is saved. So just I searching here. Yeah. So DAP location 1 is created. It's New York. It's coming to city of New York. It's under country of United States.
United States. Okay.
Then I know to create the location I created. Then I'm going to create as jobs.
Okay, whenever you're doing creation, we call it as manage location, manage
jobs.
Like that.
Going to managing the job. Going to managing the location.
Mm.
It's a simple creation. It is not complicated.
Mm.
So it's job. You know difference between job and position. Do you have any idea? Job, what job? What is
Job
position?
is finance and position is what it is, right? That is what you're telling, right?
I mean, job is finance. Okay.
No, I'm telling job is means in the financial department and position means like financial analyst,
Correct.
something
Super.
like
Correct.
that.
Correct. Perfect. Perfect. So, for
Yeah.
example, so why the jobs are mostly using this company? Every company jobs are should be mandatory. You need to create it, but positions are
Mm.
optional. For example,
Mm.
you coming to the any hospital industry or hospital or any other industry like college, they having only the teachers and principal like that. There is no designation is there. There is no position is
Oh,
there.
okay.
Senior principal,
Okay.
junior principal. But
Mm.
so they are using only the jobs. They're not never used to the
Mm.
position part. But coming to the IT
Okay.
sector or manufacturing sector or any other related to sector based companies, they are using
Mm.
jobs and positions. So job should be always be there. So like example, manager is a job,
Mm.
and you ask the finance, that means finance. No, manager is a job, and consultant is a job. So what consultant they are?
Okay.
If a financial
Mm. Mm.
consultant, is a officer is a job.
Mm.
What officer they coming
Mm.
to, like that. So like
Mm.
for taking up HR manager is a job
Okay.
position.
Manager, consultant, officer. Okay,
Yeah,
understood.
finance consultant.
Mm.
So according to the it's verified from the system. So position we are using for the tagging the purpose. We need to create a job. We need to create the
Mm.
grade. We need to all the things should be created in the system. Later on, we
Mm.
go for position. We need to map all the things into one place. That means
Okay.
so while hiring that employee, just you can write only you can type only the position name. Automatically you get
Mm.
all the data pre-filled. It's auto populated. No need to
Okay,
write
so yeah,
any.
correct. Understood. Mm. If it's HR manager, that means you have some grade for the HR manager,
Yes.
and the job will be in the manager role. And but department will be HR, but location will also be filled.
Yes. Location. Yeah. Location. Because the four details, no need to fill it because automatically system is populated. If you're
Oh,
tagging, if
okay.
you're all
Mm.
synchronizing, giving the synchronization settings, if you enabled in the system,
Mm.
it's automatically getting. If you're not enabled, you need to type again. Again, you need to find out the jobs. Again, you need to find out the
Mm.
grades and location,
Mm.
department. This is a company specific. Some companies or some clients are giving you need to tag it. Coming to the manufacturing industry, then they never tagging because always the new jobs will be created. Always
Uh,
new grades will be created. So if you are
mm.
tagging, the already existing system will not override. So we need to again we
Okay,
need to
okay.
override the system. So again, you need to map the
Mm.
new functionality. So it's client specific. We can create, we can configure.
Okay.
No need to configure for creating the
Mm.
jobs like yeah, we are using HR manager on this. BEP na? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
correct. Mm.
yeah. Um, so here you can need to fill it up. It is optional only based upon the requirement. You can fill it up. You know that part time or full time. This job is
Mm.
full time job or part time job. This is a regular or
Mm.
temporary. It's coming to job family. I explain later. It's different
Mm.
concept is there for job family and job
Okay.
function. Then
Mm.
managerial levels. Some people are created
Mm.
customized attributes. That means it's created from some persons. It's not used in system. Generally, this kind of attributes is not available in the system. Somebody is created.
Mm.
So this kind of option is available.
Okay.
You can create any field, any time, any screen. This
Mm.
kind of this is also created someone the segments. There is not created from us. The Oracle is not giving this
Or
kind of yeah. but some
Okay.
person, some other person who are practicing this instance, they are created.
Okay. This also can be created.
Yes.
That you will teach later. That means, right?
Yeah, it's different concept is there. Descriptive flex speed, key flex speed, people group flex speed. This is a different concept. When I going to there, then you can understand what the purpose
Okay,
of
fine.
creating.
Understood.
If you're teaching
Okay.
here, you are confused, you're getting confused. That's the reason. It's a
Yeah,
technical
no
part.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then the
Balan,
benchmark.
just what I understood, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Like, suppose what you mean is that if I'm going to put DIP HR manager as an end user, if suppose they are telling if this HR manager, then grade, full-time, part-time, everything they want us to map it, then we fill it up and keep it and map it with that position, right?
Yes, perfect.
If they are telling no need to map it, then we don't map it. The end user will have to select and fill it up, whether it is a full-time, because some companies, they have HR manager also 2 grades,
Yes.
like, grade 1, grade 2,
Yes.
where they want to put them in different grades.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. That's the reason. We can map it or you can ignore it. In select while airing the screen, you can select that option is already available. So what you're mapping against the job, that details only auto populated. You're not mapping,
Okay.
it's showing
Which I
nothing
am
will be shown.
doing now. Okay, suppose you are putting full-time
Yes.
here and job, family, leave it, management level as something, and you submit and save and submit it. That means whenever the end user clicks DIP HR manager, it will come automatically full-time, regular, and this will be displayed. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine.
Then this is the DF. It's listed to Switzerland, then United States, France, Canada. This kind of information based upon the LDG, we need to fill it up. Brazil, SKBus, valid grades, this kind of information. Then click to next button. It's coming to the different module evaluation system. That means it used in the performance appraisal management. That module is integrated with the job. That's the purpose we are using that
Okay,
machine.
fine.
Yeah.
So like how many months once you have to do the evaluation? So the pop-out comes like
correct.
the evaluation has to be done for the person.
Then is coming to the security profile. This is also different concept. Here in Oracle Fusion, there is a security profile option is there. That means the area of responsibility is coming to the is organization security profile or person security profile or a position security profile. So you can set some security based upon the profile. That's the purpose. We need to add, we need to create the profile first. We need to add the profile here. So this is the interlinked. So the company is giving this kind of profile only showing to the this kind of people. So that the purpose we need to add the security profile, the organization profile, this kind of profile. It's coming to the technical part. I will explain you later. Then giving the next button. So you can see the review the all the functions what we configured. This is the DF of things, and this is also this fields is Oracle is provided job family, job functions is this. But here you can see some this digits are created by someone. This is also Oracle provided related to registration information. Is Oracle is provided. You can easily navigate with France and Canada like that. Click to submit button will be submitted. But in every page, what are the record fields you can fill it up. Other space you can ignore it. Because all fields no need to fill it up. It's not it's company specific only. So BAP HR manager is created, then it's active only. Then pending no this is the no changes means pending. That means there is no pending items. We are not then going to configure location is configured. So we need to configure department. Same. Managing the department. So different department is there. For example, you know that what's the department, purpose of department. You know that, no? You know that.
Yeah. No, HR, finance, that's what you're telling us department.
Yes.
No?
What are the peoples are working in that department? It's under the department. They are coming to the department. For
Okay.
example, HR peoples are working in HR department only. like that. So title can give anything. This kind of details no needed. Someone is created. Location. We can easily identify what, because I'm every day I'm seeing the screen. That's the reason I'm just telling. So when you work in the real-time environment, you can easily understand what are the attributes is Oracle provided, what are these
which is
created by
added
someone,
by
yes,
the
which is by order, added by someone.
Okay. Now, when you're putting BIP HR department title, we should put HR manager, right?
No. It's linked to the department, na. It's
Okay. This you will
department.
link it at the last, right?
Yes,
I mean,
yes,
you will
yes.
map it. Still, we have to do mapping, right?
No, first I need to create the department. Department. It's coming to department. It's not coming to the.
No, I understand. You are now only creating department. You created location. You created job.
Yes. Then I'm going to create grades.
Then you will, whenever you are going to create a somebody person, then you will. Okay.
I will show you. I will show you. Then we can understand. I know that you have some idea, but just when I showing you, you can understand.
No problem.
Okay. I give you can review the details. You can give the submit button.
Should we save and then submit, or submit is also?
What the purpose are they using? Save means suppose the screen is crashed. Suppose you are missed out to enter the details. There are 1, 2, 3 some railway track. This track means the track is one stage, second step is there now. First step, second step, third step. Yes, I'm showing right.
Next is coming, right? That's what you're telling.
Yes. It's called steps.
So you save it every time you save it, so that if something happens, then that can be.
Yeah. It's already created, so no need. So if I click the save button, if I miss it to submit, I give cancel button. Okay. But when I'm tracking here, I'm able to get it that just a minute. So I do in some changes. I click save button. Okay, I came to cancel. The system is asking you. You want to resume that saved transaction, or you want to delete the transaction, or you want to cancel it.
Okay.
That's the purpose they are using.
That is the only thing. It doesn't mean if I put submit also, it will get saved. But if you will
submit is the final stage. Submit means
final stage. Submit. That's what.
Submit.
Yeah.
Submit means submit. Yeah. That's it.
Submit.
Save means you can draft. You write in an email from Gmail or any email ID, any email provider. What you write in.
Yeah, draft saving. Yeah, same thing.
That's called. That's same.
Okay. Same concept. Okay.
Also, I need to continue because I'm not giving submit button. Yeah, I think. The last part only grade only need to create, but then we're going for position mapping. To manage grades.
Great.
And the managing the grades. Grade having some separate concept is there. Just explaining you what's you know that what's grade, what the purpose of we are creating grades. Do you have any idea?
According to the grade, even for the position, if the grades are different, then the salary and everything will change.
Yes, mostly it's related to salary. Mostly 100% mostly is related for grades creation for salary and the some performance, the increment cycle is happen now. Some salary increment. So which grade to which the employee is there.
Bonus.
Yes, it's coming to the grade.
Benefits.
Yes, it's interlinked. So all modules is interlinked. The base is grade. with the reference of grades, we can do this kind of process. For example, grade. So I'm going to create some DAP grade A. So it's a grade. So which grade? Some people are under the grade, but having some salary range is bit different. For example, A1 having some range, like 5 lakhs, 5 LPA to 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs. And A2 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So this kind of grade steps is there. Okay.
Okay,
It's called
fine.
grade step. We need to create first grade, then we need to create grade step. But some companies never used grade step. Grade step is according to the company, the customer inputs. Some employees are working only the direct grades. Some companies having multiple grade system, A1, A2, like that, subgrades. Then we need to create grade ladder. That means which one come which. That means we need to hierarchy. We need to set. So if you're processing the salary, we need to while assigning the grades, which grade to be populate first. Like that, we need to giving you some set hierarchy level. When I creating, I will show you. So I'm going to create some grades, right? So actually, some grade, DAP grade. Okay. So நான் create பண்றேன் உங்களுக்கு grade DAP grade.
Okay.
Active. This something related to the LDG, something LDG. Then giving the next button. So system is showing the grade steps. So this grade, what are the grade steps having? So DIP grade A1, the ceiling limit. So which ceiling is coming? Ceiling 2. So DIP grade A2. So which one first, which one come? The ceiling range will be showing here.
Okay.
Okay, we need to set the ceiling. Which one should become, which one comes second. Then giving next step. It is to rates. We can define the rates according to the LDG. For example, I will take PS LDG. I will explain you in payroll what's LDG, how they associated with the taxation. It's related to the fully taxation and income tax, federal tax. Dubai goes to pay like Saudi. Na? Dubai, what taxes they are using?
VAT, value added tax.
VAT, okay.
But still, we don't have tax on the salaries yet.
Oh, okay. So here you can get that. Sorry, I'm clicked the existing rate. I need to create a new rate. The new rate I need to create here. For example, DIK1. So I'm going to pay annually or monthly. I can select with frequency. I'm going to pay to the employee. So it's annually one, believe it. So DAPA1 is created. What the range will become? For example, this grade is applicable for this range. $150 to $250. So automatically the midpoint is will come. So dividing factor will be coming that value. So what value should we pay?
Why that value is 200 again?
That means the final output. You're getting the midpoint. Now the midpoint you should be enter here. System automatically calculate the midpoint. You can give the midpoint. Can you join again the same link after 5-10 minutes? Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah. Then we can add so one grade is enough. Then I click the next button. We can see the grade is created, the grade steps is created, the grade rates is created. So if you're selecting the grade A1, The system automatically what are the rates is associated with the grade 1 or
A1.
grade 2 system showing here. We can select from the system while adding to the employees. In hiring part, I'm telling. While hiring the employee, we can change the rates. So 4 pods I created. Then I'm going to use this in managing the position.
Okay. Position now only you are doing, right?
Yes, the final pod.
Okay. You told some companies don't use positions, no?
Yes, the client specific.
They do only jobs.
Yes, job is
position.
mandatory to create. You need to, without job, the company can't operate.
Okay.
But positions are optional.
Okay.
But most of the companies are creating the position, but some companies aren't
Why
creating.
are you going to October always? You want to end the year so fast?
No. Just actually morning I given some customer training. So that point of morning onwards, some demos is going on.
Okay.
So what going to be TAP? So parent position. So what the parent position is associated with this? So if you already parent position is there, you can map it. Then business units. We can use some US related because the geography data is available for US only, fully loaded.
Okay.
From countries is not fully loaded. Yeah. Yes. That action region is also available. We can use it. Then giving the next button. The position. So we're going to map all the system what you created here. You can map it here.
Okay. In the position.
Yes. Just typing here, getting that data. You got it now?
Okay. HR manager now.
The manager now, if somebody is created. The manager, which is manager, is according to the this position. You can assign. We don't know the name now, so just leave it.
You created full-time regular, so it came already.
No. It's coming to the position level. So all workforce is involved.
No, you made it HR manager full-time, no? And regular. That is why it came, or what it is?
Just a minute. Default is showing as full-time part-time.
It's a default one.
Yes. Because if you're coming to the position level mapping, the position only the main role. The acting position acting as a main role. This is sub function. What configured in the position level, that only be reflecting into
grade is not there.
Wait, I told you. I will explain. This is to the somebody's created some bonus, something. The hiring information, something's created somebody. So here I'm telling you, the position will be having some hiring status. That means if your position from, for example, CEO is there. Only one CEO will be there in one company. So it's coming to the which hiring stage should be selected. So we need to pose in like that. So something shared means you can see here. Shared means the same position will be shared to others. For HR analyst, for IT analyst or any analyst, multiple people are working the same designation. So that's the reason they're having some this kind of pooled means the only one is already populated only the CEO. CEO only working as a pool. Then shared means and single equivalent. It's different equivalent is there. So only one position is there. So while creating new position, you will be impacting your FTE, full-time equivalent. It used in payroll purpose. While calculating the salary, the full-time equivalent is be impacting there. Here you can see something is created from someone. The budget is related to this payroll. You can the basic little information. We need to add the grades here only, valid grades. They're giving lost tab. You can search here. DI. Yeah, we got it. So according to the grades code, DAP grade is set. So I can change it these grades A1 or A2 in that hiring page.
In that?
Hiring screen. New join screen. Hiring.
Okay.
I will
That
show
is the
you.
end user screen.
End user screen. Yes.
Okay.
Then I giving the next button. The same evaluation. What you've seen in the job, same will be repeating here.
Okay.
The person profile. What are the profile you're going to use?
Create profile means that means the name and everything of the person.
Yes, it's a security purpose. So what are the position?
Okay. Which are the profiles they can view? If suppose HR manager, then he can view below his
yes.
grades.
Some hierarchy. The tree is there.
Okay.
That concept is there. So then a creator
means HR manager can view HR assistant and everybody's grades, and he can
Yeah, I will explain that. There is a separate topic. That's the reason I'm not explaining that.
No, understood.
Yeah. So some things I missed out now. Some reason is there. If I explain here, you should totally confused. That's the reason.
No, because I have some experience in HR, so I'm getting like this will go
correct,
like this.
Whatever you are saying is correct one. So I'm going to the mail client group. New persons. It's hiring screen. Hiring is different. It's coming to the IRC model. But the hire the employee, though I'm saying that I hire an employee.
This is the end user thing, right?
Yes, end user.
Okay.
Okay, I need to select to be. So yes. You know that now we are creating where we created the legal entity.
Yeah.
So I can give some names or DAP one like that. So the how they are coming from country based, I will explain you. It's a separate section with that.
Okay.
Then you can select as a male or female like that. The data birth is not mandated to select. The system will not giving like that. Not start quoted. Whatever the start quoted into fill it. Then giving next button. Again, related to the information, just giving some.
No, this is the same screen.
Same. It's from geography, it's loaded from the system. It's loaded auto-populated here. Then giving the next button.
Second page will be always location.
Yes.
This is the geography thing. Okay. Then comes
here only we are using that. Here you can see. Okay, I just came here. This is related to the country specific. Ignore that part. Then legal employer. This is related to the payroll part. Then coming to the payroll relationship, is the assignment. So assignment, which assignment the employee is working. I need to select here. So business units, something we have created now. Yes.
Yeah, BU. US business unit 1, I think.
This one?
US 1 business unit, I think.